warm greetings to all our viewers. Kabir Zudneet, gives me pleasure to, have a little talk with him. A young man, financial consultant, and Dr. Tyagi, his father, Mrs. Tyagi. You people are from Parwanu, Haryana.
परवाणु
कबीर का हमने बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स पाइलोनाइडल साइनस किया था and a large rotation flap was used to cover it. It gives me happiness, satisfaction. God is kind. I thank God for that. Yeah, he is fine. His wounds are completely healed, and we declare him kind of completely healed. And in 1 month's time, कोई ज़्यादा ड्रेसिंग्स वगैरह तो हमको नहीं करनी पड़ी. बट वेल आप ही बताएं. कॉम्प्लेक्स का मतलब होता है 15 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा था, विच इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग. बस पड़ा हुआ था अंदर. सो you will tell and Dr. Tyagi will tell us what was the experience.
So as to start with, I'd say that it was a pretty hectic and difficult journey because I had been dealing with this for about 3 years now, and I was really frustrated with it. But then I got to know about Sir from YouTube and every searches I did, and then I got to know about him, and then we finally came here because I had to get rid of this. It was causing a lot of discomfort.
और 3 साल आपने किसी और से इलाज नहीं करवाया था अभी तक?
I did go to quite a few people there, but they were not able to permanently cure it. Like it was always a temporary sort of arrangement.
किया किसी ने कुछ?
Yeah, like they used to provide me with basic medicines or antibiotics, or there was once I got my surgery done, but it was
also done.
Yeah, but it was about drain only, but like it did happen again. So I reached out to Sir.
So फिर बढ़ता गया, इतना बड़ा हो गया.
जी
15 सेंटीमीटर्स का हो गया. नॉर्मली 3-4-5 सेंटीमीटर्स के आते हैं हमारे पास एवरेज. कोई 7-8 सेंटीमीटर. तो योर्स इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट. सो फिर उसके बाद आप हमारे पास आए, तो वी गेव यू अ डेट फॉर सर्जरी एंड आप उसी दिन एडमिट हुए. आई थिंक हमने 1 या 2 दिन तो हमने शायद रखा ही होगा आपको यहाँ. 2 days we kept you in the hospital. बट पहले दिन से ही आपको कोई पेन हुआ?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah, so not much.
But you were walking about?
Yeah,
from the day one?
Yeah, I started walking.
On the
even
day.
If it was a bit slow, but I started walking.
On the day one?
Yes.
And then after 2 days we sent you home?
Yes.
And घर पे भी आप चलते फिरते रहे?
Yes, sure.
पहले दिन से ही नहाते धोते रहे?
जी sir.
You were bathing your entire body?
Yes.
And mummy papa were looking after you?
जी sir.
Isn't it? आप बताइए Dr. Tyagi, how was the experience? What would you say?
that very kind of you that you did it, and we search you from the YouTube and everywhere, and you find that he was struggling since the last 3 years of these problems. And then after searching that one, we came to you and find that the best guy in this region. And then you did it, and you are very kind and done it very well. That's the things.
When it heals, we thank God. Healing is not in our hands. Actually, there is nothing in our hands. हम आपसे बात कर रहे थे सुबह.
That's right.
भगवान ही करवाता है, वो ही करता है, और वो ही हील भी करता है.
That is right.
हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. I was telling you our helplessness as a human.
Yeah.
We can only participate in his scheme of things.
Yeah.
And that's what I keep doing all my life. I am just participating in his scheme of things. वो जो करवाता है मैं करता हूँ भी गलत है. वो ही करता है, मैं ही वही करवाता है, और वही हील भी करता है.
Yes, that's right.
So it gives, हमको क्या देता है? हमको satisfaction सी देता है.
Yeah.
खुशी देता है कि देखिए ठीक हो गया.
Yes, that's more important. We are also happy now that he's and
आप बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. आपका wound completely heal कर चुका है.
I would also like to specially thank you, Dr. Arvind, Dr. Ajay, and your team, sir, because they have been of constant support. So I would really like to
I'm proud to have them. They are my right hand and left hand. So मेरा तो कोई hand ही नहीं है.
You did it everything that up.
I do nothing really. God does everything. And right hand and left hand is Arvind and Ajay. So where am I in the scheme of things? Nowhere. Hare Ram. Very happy, beta. Very happy.
Nice,
Wish you all the best.
Yeah.
So this is a forgotten chapter now.
Yeah.
Now move ahead and do whatever you want to do with your life.
Thank you.
ठीक है?
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Yes. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you
Very
very
nice of you.
much.